Hey Russell fam, in today's video we're going to do an unboxing of My Father's World second grade curriculum, Adventures in the U.S. History. Be back in just a second. Hi, my name is Becky and welcome to our Russell's Loving Life YouTube channel. Here on this channel we talk about homeschooling, homemaking, and everything in between. I am a homeschooling mom of 2 and I have been homeschooling since 2012. We also have a blog, which is russellslovinglife.com. Make sure to check that out. There, I give you tips and tricks and things that I have learned through my years of homeschooling. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and clicking that little bell notification down at the bottom. That just lets you know every time we upload a new video. And if you are a returning Russell fam, we are so glad you are back. If you have been around my channel for a while, you know we love My Father's World curriculum. This is going to be my 8th year using a My Father's World curriculum. I started when Bailey was in kindergarten and now he is in 7th grade. So I have used all of their curriculums from the kindergarten up until the 1850 to modern times curriculum that we will be using this year. So in this curriculum, in this unboxing, I'm going to show you everything that comes with the 2nd or 3rd grade curriculum. This can be used for a 2nd or 3rd grader. I'm using it for Becca in 2nd grade. The only thing I had to order this year was the student sheets because I already had the entire curriculum. So when I turn the camera around, you will see some of it is loved on a little bit that we have used over the years. But here is everything that comes with the 2nd or 3rd grade My Father's World curriculum, Adventures in U.S. History. Okay, here is everything that comes with the Adventures in U.S. History. You get your teacher's guide, you get your student worksheets, and for Bible, you get this Discovery's Bible here. And for science, you get Science in the Kitchen, Science with Air, Birds, Nest, and Eggs, First Encyclopedia of Science, and the magnet set, which is so much fun. All right, for history, you get the red, white, and blue, the story of the American flag. You get the 4th of July story. You get the Thanksgiving story. North American Indians. Americans and Pioneers and Patriots. And then the story of the U.S. There is also a read aloud curriculum that they have added to it, which is right here. You can get all these books when you buy the My Father's World curriculum. But like I said earlier, I just had to buy the worksheets because I already had everything for when Bailey was in 2nd grade. But I'm going to get all of these at my local library. I hope you found this video to be helpful and informative. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comments below. I would love to answer any of those questions for you. Be on the lookout for a thorough flip through of this curriculum. I will show you the insides of all of the books that I have if you're curious more about them. Also look for a Do a Lesson with Us video for this curriculum that will be coming out as well. As always, remember to be kind, be careful, be considerate, and have a great day. Bye.